Hi, does he love you? Does he want to commit to you? Can you say with any certainty that you know what a man is really thinking and what he really wants? Most of you are shaking your head right now. Because men don't like to talk about their feelings. Here's 3 seemingly harmless little questions that will give you the answers you need without him even realizing it. Click the link below to find out. You see, if you're thinking about having the talk with him about the future, or where the relationship is going. Don't. Any questions about the relationship will feel like you're pressuring him, even if that's not your intention. And if he feels pressured, it's a surefire way to make him pull away, or run away, fast. If you want to know if he still loves you, if he's committed to the relationship, or you want to know if you have a future together. These 3 amazingly harmless questions will change everything. Click the link below to find out what are they. They will wake up overwhelming feelings of love and devotion for you. And push thoughts of other women from his mind and give him absolute certainty that you're the only woman he wants to be with. No matter if you are applying these questions to a guy you have just met in a bar, a guy who has stopped calling, or a husband or boyfriend who has been distant for years. This is going to get them to open up and focus all their desire, love, and attention back on you. I urge you to watch this now and prepare to be amazed. Click the link below to watch the video. I will chat to you again soon. Thank you. Try it today.